Hello, my name's Richard and welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a short video of one of our fully prepared used cars. Thanks for watching. This is our Ford Fiesta. It's a 2014 64 plate. It's the ST3, finished in spirit blue metallic. It benefits from the factory fitted style pack, which gets you the Rado grey alloy wheels, the rear privacy glass and the illuminated side steels. Looking there, it's got the red brake calipers, which is part of the package. Being an ST3, it's the top of the range with the best specification. It's got the half leather Recaro seats, which are heated. It does have factory fitted satellite navigation, auto lights and rain wiper sensors and cruise control. Just going to move around the back of the car, just looking at the near side rear wheel. We've just had this car serviced. It does have a full service history. Prior to us servicing, the first 3 services were done by Ford. We've just had the car MOT'd, serviced with 2 new rear tyres fitted. Just looking in here, I don't know if you can notice in the video, this does have the option of factory fitted park pilot, so it does have the rear parking sensors which are audible, and they also come up on the display screen in the middle. As I said earlier, it's got the satellite navigation. This incorporates Bluetooth with Bluetooth music streaming. It also has a USB audio interface. Being the ST3, it does have the keyless start, the keyless entry, the electric folding door mirrors, climate control, and it has the MP3 music streaming facility as well. These also have the LED daytime running lights, so they look very smart from the front, and this car benefits from 6 months RAC Platinum warranty and free of charge 12 months RAC membership, which does have the home start, it has the recovery and the roadside assistance. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to hearing from you.